welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to blend so I want to show you how to blend garden egg leaf to drink. You know, garden egg leaf is very good in the body.
No supplements.
And it's good, we have enough supplement, can give blood and everything. Like some people that maybe if you dizzy, like your eye is turning you, you blend it and drink fresh like this. Some use it and cook soup. So but this one I want to blend it fresh and drink. So keep watching. See how you blend. Before you blend it, you have water so that the thing will be easy to blend. So you add more water and see inside, still blend it. So guys can see it's blend to filter it now. So you just filter it now. You see? And if you want to do it and you don't have blender, you can use your hand or mortar to pound it. And if you can use your hand to squeeze it, let the juice come out. You can use your hand. If you don't want to use your hand, you can pound it if you don't have blender. But if you have blender, it's good to blend it so that it will be easy for you. And see? It blends so well. So this is the chaff. So you can throw this one away now. And this is the juice. And see? So the only thing you do now, you put it in the cup and drink it. That is all for garden egg leaf. So you can see the foam, you can see the foam on top. So it doesn't mean you can drink all of them together. It works very fast. So that is all for blended garden egg juice. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to your loved ones. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.